Okay, everybody, so I just want to make a quick video on how easy this 3D printer is to use. Any person that does not know how to use 3D printers could easily use these printers. Straight out of the box, guys. You got to put the printer together, which is very simple. You turn it on. You bind the Bluetooth to your phone. You look for the Bluetooth signal, you bind it to your phone. Once you're connected, you run the app through your phone. This is the app right here. It's called the AnkerMake app. It has built-in slicer and everything. And basically, you can go to their site and select whatever it is that you want to print. You choose the item that you want to print, and then you hit play on the printer. It'll send the file from their phone to your printer, and you can see right now it's uploading. Once the heating bed heats up, and it uploads the document, the file, the print file, then it will start printing, and it won't stop until it's done. I haven't had any clogging issues. I haven't had any issues with the filaments getting stuck. This printer is amazing. And what's even more amazing is that the slicer doesn't have all that leftover filament stuff that you get when you have to build bridges to connect things together. For some reason, this printer is so fast, it doesn't need... oh God, what's those things called? Supports. It's called supports. It's all that raggedy shit that you see. So it prints so fast that it's able to bypass the supports. And I built something the other night that was just amazing. Oh yeah, it was gimbal covers for my radio, and it built a bridge all the way across with absolutely no supports. And that was just crazy. I've never actually seen a 3D printer do that. So with much ado, I'm going to end this video. I'll let you guys go. And I will show you this print when it gets done. But for now, I'd like to show you these gimbal covers that I made. And this is the bridge that my 3D printer made with absolutely no bridge supports. So it made this bridge all the way across with no bridge supports in between. And guys, that's just amazing. So this is the AnkerMake M5C, and what's special about this one is it's got a camera on it, so I can monitor the printer from anywhere in the world. I can turn the light on, the light's on, the light comes on, and then I can start recording. I won't hit the record button though. Well, let's go ahead and start recording. Now it's recording, and I can make a time-lapse video. This was the last thing that came off the plate. It's pretty amazing. This is a 3-inch drone frame. I'm using PAHTCF. It's not very stiff. This has got a lot of flex to it. I need to put some fiberglass resin or something on this to stiffen this up to make it work. Definitely needs to be carbon fiber. But so the printer is now at 99%. It's homing. And it's going to start doing its thing. So, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video now. You guys know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos. I got all kinds of instructional videos on how to use these printers. I've got Bamboo Lab printers. I've got Ender Creality 3 printers. I've got an AnkerMaker 5, and this is an AnkerMaker 5 CM. So I've got a little bit of experience with these printers. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be glad to reply. You guys check out my other videos. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.